Good morning and Jai Hind. Dear students, today topic is creating headings. What is creating headings? So when you read an article on the internet, जब आप कोई आर्टिकल पढ़ते हैं इंटरनेट पर, note that sometimes the content is displayed as the heading of the text. तो कभी कभी आपको दिखता होगा कोई कंटेंट, उसका हेडिंग दिखता होगा, उस टेक्स्ट का हेडिंग दिखता होगा। हेडिंग लीव्स हेल्प यू टू क्रिएट ए प्रॉपर लेआउट। और हेडिंग आपको क्या देता है? आपकी सहायता करता है कि प्रॉपर लेआउट एंड स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एन HTML डॉक्यूमेंट। और उस HTML डॉक्यूमेंट का आपको स्ट्रक्चर या प्रॉपर लेआउट बताता है। कौन बताता है? हेडिंग। तो हेडिंग लीव्स help you to create. So heading in HTML is created using h tag. तो हेडिंग हम HTML में क्रिएट करते हैं किसके थ्रू? h tag के थ्रू। तो there are six levels of headings that you can create. h1, h2, this is the tag, h1 tag, h2 tag, h3, h4, h5, h6. So these are the six tags, six heading tags. The code for creating headings is as follows. उसके कोड जो दिए गए हैं नीचे दिए गए हैं, आप देख सकते हैं। HTML head title, this is the title page, title close, and after that head close. Body, in the body h1 example of the first level heading, h1 close. This is the heading 1 and heading 1 close. Heading 2 example of the second level heading, heading 2 close. Heading 3 example of the third level heading, heading 3 close. h4 example of the fourth level heading, h4 close. h5 example of the fifth level heading, or h5 close. Heading 6 example of the sixth level heading, h6 close. Body close and HTML close. So this is the coding for heading, h1, h2, h3, h4 like this, h6 till h6. So after that you just save it and you get the output on your web browser. What you get the output? You get output this is your output. So let's I explain what is the meaning of this. Example of the first level heading, that means the h1. This is the h1 example of the first level heading. This is the h1 example of the first level heading. You just do on your notepad. h1, this is the h1 is more big, and after that h2 is some less, like this. h6 is very less. Hope you understand this. And this is the coding you done on notepad, and you get the output on your web browser. This is your output. You just done this code and you get this output. Next heading is creating paragraphs. Inside headings you need to give the content as paragraphs. You can create a paragraph by using the p tag. This is the p tag. This tag is used to arrange content in a paragraph format on a page. The code for creating paragraphs is as follows. This is the code. HTML head, title page, title close, head, body, h1 that you have already written. Example of the first level heading, h1 close, and this is the paragraph. This is the first paragraph is written and paragraph close. After that h2 paragraph, h3 like this, h4, h5, and in middle there is paragraph, and after that you just save it and you get the output. Here is the body close and HTML close, and you get the output this. Example of the first level heading, this is your the h1 example of the first level heading, and you get output this example of the first level heading. This is your output. So this is the topic for today. Hope you understand very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.